In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the brightness of your video in CapCut. Whether your clip looks too dark or too bright, you can fix it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First things first, open CapCut and import your video. To import the video, click on Import right here. Once you have chosen it, drag it to the timeline like this. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now look at the right side of the screen. This is your adjustment panel. Now click on the adjustment panel and click on basic. Scroll down. You can see the exposure right here. Now decrease it like this. You can use many effects from here like brilliance, shadow. You can edit it from here. You can also decrease it like this. Let me increase its brightness. Once you are happy with it, you are good to go. And that's how you change brightness in CapCut PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Catch you in the next one.